One of my favourite biscuits in the Obsession range is the milk chocolate, and today I'm going to use it to make a classic Italian dessert, the Affogato. This is so easy. I'm just going to start with my ice cream straight into your favourite glass. The great thing about the De'Longhi Eletta Explore is I can control how much coffee that I want to go in. Double espresso coming up. So last thing to do is top it with a beautiful Arnott's Obsession. Doesn't get much better than that. Bellissimo.